Hello and welcome back to the channel, everybody. Excuse the lighting if it's not very good. I'm testing out some new lighting. It looks okay on the camera screen, but I don't know how it'll look if I get it back onto the computer. But I'm going to keep with it anyway. If you've been keeping up with previous videos, then you would know that I've changed house, changed studio. Everything's changed at the moment, trying out new things. Today I am reviewing and unboxing and reviewing, in that order, a HyperX Cloud Stinger Wireless. Now if you remember a few months ago, I actually reviewed this, the HyperX Cloud 2, which is a wired connection, and I actually really liked them. So now let's see how this goes. Apparently gaming grade wireless designed for console, so you can use this with PS4, PS4 Pro and PC. You can use it with TeamSpeak, Discord, Skype, Mumble. Reliable gaming grade wireless with signature HyperX comfort and sound quality. HyperX has you covered. Got issues with your HyperX product? Don't need that stuff. Hopefully. Oh, come along way. Yeah. What else is in there? Quick start guide. My microphone's about to go flat. Okay, we're back with charged batteries. Don't need that. Okay, let's get to this. How do you open this? Oh, okay, here we go. Just needs a bit of force. Whoa! That looks to be our USB charging cable, micro USB, our little wireless dongle to plug into the PS4 or PC. Oh, I think they've done a bit of the Bose thing where the inside of the cups actually angle out, which is actually really good. Looks to be stainless steel or something with a outer plastic casing on it. Now these babies you can pick up in Australia for about 170, 180 Australian dollars, which is probably like 110 US at the moment, probably. They do feel like if I bend them out too much further, they'll probably snap. So just be careful with, if you have a big bulbous head, maybe be cautious, I don't know. I don't, I have a little mini head, but a ginormous big brain. That's what matters, right? I like that they do this actually, so they can sit flat. They seem reasonably comfy. I have this on the smallest setting, and it's like, it just fits on the smallest setting for the band. These don't come with any of the extra cups that the Cloud 2s did. The Cloud 2s come with the vinyl cups and the fabric-y cups, the suede-y cups. I actually think though that the Cloud 2s are more comfortable. Yeah. Weirdly enough, even though the insides of these cups don't slant outwards like they should, my ears actually barely touch the inside of the cups and the little plastic piece that covers the drivers. It doesn't really touch on the Cloud 2s. Whereas I find, even with these, with the slanty cups, they are actually touching, which concerns me. Short term, I think they'd be fine. Long term, we have to see. So this video is probably going to be split up a bit. Here we have a microphone. Slide that down. Seems pretty bendy, pretty movable. That'll be comfortable enough. On these, we have the micro USB, the power button, and a little LED light here that, according to the instructions here, is solid green at 100%, breathing green at 50 to 99%, breathing orange at 25 to 50%, and breathing red at under 25% battery power. How you're going to see that while you've got them on, however, that could be a little bit more difficult. They just have a little light up here, and that'll tell you the battery indicator. So you can actually physically see it while it's on. So if you're using them for a long period of time, you can see the charge. But apparently we have up to 17 hours of battery life on these. So that shouldn't be too much of a problem. Yeah, anyway, let's get into the review. Well, here is a microphone test of the HyperX Cloud Stinger Wireless, and I've done some quick testing on this, and it actually seems to be quite good quality. It seems to be isolating my voice quite well compared to some of the computer sounds right next to me here, and it's actually doing a pretty good job. There's not really much delay, if any at all, going from the headset to the computer. In fact, there's more of a delay from my Panasonic Lumix G7 going to the computer. In fact, in OBS, I have this set on 140 millisecond delay on these because this is actually faster than the cameras, so which you'd kind of expect, I guess, considering video compared to just audio. But hey, pretty good microphone as far as I can tell. Maybe not as good as my professional Rode NT USB. Well, even that's just a USB, I guess. Actually, let's do a quick comparison. Okay, so this is a quick test using a Rode NT USB mic. Far from a XLR mic or anything like that, but still, this is $180 or something USB mic. There, I'll let you make your own assumptions. Not assumptions. Where did assumptions come from? So, I just got finished doing the microphone test on these, and I'm like, hey, I'm feeling lazy. Don't know about you, so I'm just gonna finish the video like this and do my review on the computer, all stream style. So I've spent about a week with these headphones, about a little bit over, I think. I charged these up initially, and I haven't had to charge them since. They're still right there. You saw the green blinky light. That means it's over 50% charge. And I've spent, well, a day off and on editing a video on these, done some gaming, listened to a few songs and stuff, and it's still on like over 50%, which is pretty cool. So battery life seems to be pretty good. The sound quality from the drivers seemed to be pretty good. The music I was listening to sounded as I expected. Treble, the highs, lows, all that sounded okay. I'm not an audiophile, but I do like pretty good audio. As for comfort, comfort's a big thing for me. Most of the time, that is why I edit with the Bose QC35s here. because these are like the most comfortable headphone for me, that I can listen to these for like entire days and not have any ear fatigue, not have that stabbing feeling in your ears when you go to take them off, like let's say the Razer Kraken Pro V1s do to me. These do have a little bit of ear fatigue. If I had a choice between having these on my head or the HyperX Cloud 2s simply for comfort, I would definitely go the HyperX Cloud 2s. They're a bit more comfortable, but of course they have the wire. These are wireless, so I can like jump up and around and just no wires, which is pretty cool. Can't do that with wires. Can do it with wireless though. But yeah, probably more comfortable than most headsets I've used though. The volume knob over here seems to be pretty useful. And of course, if you're in game, you can... You can't hear me, you see? Look at that. Which is a nifty little feature. Overall, I think I like the headset. The downfalls for me, I think that they could improve upon a little bit is obviously a little bit more comfort. A little bit inside the ear cups. The plastic seems like, you know, especially up here, like there's not much bend or stretch to it. Vinyl headrest here, nice and cushy. Can you hear me? I know you're very far away. What can I say? That's it for the video, I guess. Hit the like button if you liked it. Subscribe for more amazing videos. That's a bit cringe. Calling my own videos amazing. How many dislikes am I gonna get on this? Hey? Anyway. See you later. Okay. Bye. Check out my other social stuff and Twitch and all that stuff. Okay, bye. Bye.